I'm just kind of chilling.
I saw Prazer yesterday.
That's good.
When he heard the door open, he started, because I put food out for him, and he just starts running away, and I saw him prancing around. And
does he know?
Huh?
Does he know?
No. I might have to take her to the vet today.
Yeah. It'd probably be a good idea.
Oh, they open. What time do they open on Saturdays?
8 a.m. I think. I can call him.